Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can select basically your entrance sound on Discord. So this is a Nitro feature. If you don't have it, then sorry, I don't make the rules. I don't have Nitro, but I'm just going to show you guys how in case you want to do it. So go to user settings and go to voice and video, scroll down, and there's going to be an entrance sounds option here. So it says choose a soundboard sound to automatically play whenever you join a voice channel. Right click on a voice channel to join without playing your entrance sound. Choose a server of your choice, then you're just going to change the sound and you're just going to select a sound here. But as you can see, it's a Nitro feature. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.